Yo, this your boy Flizzle. Know what I'm saying? This sick picks with Flizzle where you get free picks every day. Know what I'm saying? Oh, I got them lost. Know what I'm saying? Hey, today, man, we got Miami in the swamp against them motherfucking Gators. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. Cam Ward, none of that shit. We don't see none of that. Yeah, I'm biased. Yeah. Gator. Y'all finna come to the swamp and get. And y'all points. How many we get? 20. Oh, listen, man. I like us money line. Plus, listen, I like us money line. Plus the 115. The Gators, man, ain't no way in hell they finna beat us. We got experience everywhere, man. We got them bad. Man, we got a mob out there, boy. Whoa. That boy Johnson finna rip that bitch. Oh, we got little Abrams from Fort Myers too, man. Freshman. Think that we're gonna play. He like that though, and we're gonna play, and that we're gonna play, yeah. But hey, man, all that you shit, all this shit, yeah. Gators. Money line plus 115, bitch. We don't see that shit in the swamp, man. Let me hit that shit one time. Gator shit, what? You already know what time it is. Shit picks. Gators plus 115.